guys, welcome back to Nappy Missy 101. And as you can see, I've just washed my hair. It's nice and fresh, it's nice and soft. I washed it with carrot care and then I did a treatment with a firm. And then I washed it again and then I rinsed it. That's just how I do mine. It works for me. It might not work for everyone. This is how much hair came out, guys. Not too much hair. I think that's alright. But when I go in to clear it out, it might be a different story. You know what I'm saying. I've purchased this hair, and what I will do is I will just put it in like randomly, like not too much, but to blend in. You know what I'm saying? And this time I'm gonna use the same hair, but black, because my hair is black. Last time I used brown because that's the only hair I had and I was just using what I had. So this time I'm going to go in with black, and I only have 2 packs. Before I used 2.5 packs of this hair, but this time I am going to be using just 2. Okay, so the products I'm going to be using is my shea butter and Jehation. You all know I use Jehation black castor oil, right? I found this Jehation shea lock and gel. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. It doesn't get hard or anything. It's just soft, gives your hair a soft, luscious feeling, and it smells divine. I'm telling you, it smells good, you guys. Anyway, so that's what I'm using, and I won't be using rubber band method this time. I'm just putting it in. I done like almost all of my hair because I didn't want you all sitting there for hours saying, well, when is she gonna be finished? So yeah, I've used the gray, as you can see there. I've used gray on some of my edges, like, well, not my edges, sorry, the ends of my hair, like that, just on some. Yeah, so I'm almost done. I think I have about 4 more to do because I did them really big. I did them really big because remember I said I only have 2 packages of her. And I'm just twisting them. I'm sure there's probably a method you could do this, but honestly I didn't even check YouTube videos for this. I'm just using my imagination, like, because I don't feel like putting elastic bands in my hair this time around. I've already put some more shea butter like between my scalp and the lock and gel, and water, of course. Then I'll take some of my hair, my Molly hair. I put some of the lock and gel on it because it smells good and I want my hair to smell nice. Alright. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking a twist and I'm going to twist it at the root. And then I'm going to do this. The part that I'm twisting around the hair is slightly shorter than what I'm leaving out. So yeah. And then you just twist her, wrap the hair. Hey guys, so we are on the last 4. Hi guys, like on my last one. Super excited, super excited. Gosh, it looks so nice and fresh. I'm sorry, you know I'm not into my baby hairs like that, yeah. But you know my edges stay on fleek regardless of if I comb them down or not. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you like it. Of course I'm feeling myself, so don't even ask me. I love it guys. Love it. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments down below, because I like it. Like the black really looks nice because obviously my hair is black and last time I didn't use black or gray, but I really like it. I think it looks cute. So guys, thanks for watching another Nappy Missy 101 episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.